and 13 right here, the main lead with us. Come on everybody, जोरदार ताली हो जाए इनके लिए. Can we have Robin Sohi right here with us, the main lead for the movie? Come on everybody, here he is with us. Mr. Nasir Khan, can we please have your pleasure joining us, sir? Mr. Salil Ankola, for some reason I believe he couldn't be with us over here, but he's also a part of the movie as you've seen. Also with us, Mr. Pranati Rai Prakash Kiran, join us for the moment. Also we have Bahubali Prabhakar in the movie with us. Mr. Rushad Rana in the movie. Can we have you over here? Come on everybody. Taaliyan bajaye inke liye. Avneet Kaur, are you there with us? Yes everybody, come on, please clap for her everyone. Thank you so much for making out your time today. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the music for the movie has been given by Mr. Dabu Malik, by the singer Arman Malik. इनके लिए भी तालियां बजाएं. Come on everybody, भले ही वो हमारे साथ ना हो पाए आज. Background music by Vijay Kurakula. Cinematography by Tamashyam. Editing by Kartika Srinivas. DI by Vishnu of Prime Focus. And DTS mixing by Shyam. Yes, with your presence, he's from Pen and Camera International. Thank you so much, sir. And last but not the least, can we have Mr. Wasim from Fame Media joining us, please? Can we have you over here? Thank you so much, sir. Well, alright. Well, ladies and gentlemen, अब आती है बारी इनसे कुछ बात करने की. So get ready. Can we have Mr. Satish Kumar also joining us? That's my mistake. Can we have you, sir? Come on, everybody. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं.
तो पहला मैं 15 साल से डायरेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट में काम कर रहा था. तो बहुत इंग्लिश मूवीज ज़्यादा देखता. सो पहला कॉन्सेप्ट बनने के बाद तेलुगु से ज़्यादा ये यूनिवर्सल सब्जेक्ट होगी बोल के मैं हिंदी में प्लान किया. सो मुझे इतना जल्दी कोई सब्जेक्ट पसंद नहीं आता. सो क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा मूवीज देखते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्या होगा मैं इमेजिन कर सकता था. तो ऑडियंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में ये सोच के लिखा हूँ. तो तभी ये कॉन्सेप्ट आया. तो that's it, I think.
That's actually amazing. Well, I would like to ask ma'am over here, Navneet ma'am. Well, ma'am, how was your experience for this movie? और आप इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
First of all, good afternoon everyone. मेरा experience इस film का बहुत ही अच्छा था. And like you asked earlier, soul meets body. So here's the soul and this is the body in front of you. So, but the experience was very good. And it was amazing. It was very nice to work in the South industry for the first time. Though it is a Bollywood film, but our entire crew was from the South, and it was the professionalism that I saw is something else. So it was a good experience.
Thank you so much, ma'am. मैं यहाँ पे Robin sir से कुछ बात करना चाहूँगी. Robin sir, well, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा इस मूवी को बारे में और आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा था. और जैसे मुझे पता चला था कि हमारे डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर्स, कैमरामैन सब साउथ से हैं, तो मुझे पता था इन लोगों को हिंदी नहीं आती. तो मुझे लगा था बहुत मुश्किल होगी, लेकिन सुमन सर बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोल लेते हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा था. मतलब एक्चुअली मेरी पहली फिल्म थी, तो इसलिए मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया सर ने और नवनीत ने, सब लोगों ने वहाँ पर. तो बहुत ही अच्छा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस था.
Well, you're looking also so good. इतने अच्छे आप लग रहे हैं. Oh my God, I think मुझे half crush तो इधर ही हो चुका है. I must say about that. And so, what about you, Nasir sir? I would like to speak with you. आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा इस मूवी को लेके? What is your role exactly in this? आप थोड़ा कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
What can I say about my role, Suman? How much can I say about my role? मैं ज्यादा नहीं कह सकता मैं कैरेक्टर के बारे में. बस सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि मेरे लिए बड़ा चैलेंजिंग था, because I had to play from 25 to 65. तो 25 के लिए बहुत मेकअप करना पड़ा मुझे.
Thank you so much, sir. Rushad sir, I'd like to speak to you also. How was your experience with the movie? कुछ आप अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में कहना चाहेंगे इसमें?
जी, first of all, good afternoon everyone. It was an amazing experience. मैं शुरू से ही साउथ फिल्म्स का बहुत बड़ा फैन रहा हूँ. Even as a school kid, I remember going to Gaiety Galaxy and going alone and watching South movies. उस टाइम पे subtitles भी नहीं हुआ करते थे, but I just used to go and just enjoy the visual treat that South movies have brought to us. So for me, the most important thing was that I would be getting to work with an entirely South crew, Suman sir and everyone, and with actors like Nasir sir and Navneet and everyone, Robin. It was a wonderful experience. मैं इसमें प्रोफेसर फिलिप नाम का एक कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा हूँ, जो कि एक मतलब एक इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट पे, इम्पोर्टेंट जंक्चर पे फिल्म पे आता है. एंड I think he helps taking the film a little ahead, solving some mysteries.
Well, we surely look forward for that. So thank you so much for role play कर रही हो. So how has your experience been?
Actually, not really बचपन का role. I can't say anything about my character, so you have to watch the movie yourself. I really can't say anything, but I would say that this role has been very challenging for me. I haven't attempted anything like this before. So when we were shooting with Nasir sir, mostly मेरे काफ़ी सारे scenes, like I don't really know the cast here. So बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मज़ा आया. I'd been to Lakpi also for this show, I remember. तो उधर की scenery, beauty, everything I got to see, and the cast, crew, everyone is so amazing. And it was such a lovely experience. I just want people to connect to the story. That's it. And बस उधर मेहनत मेरी बहुत सफल हो जाएगी. That's all I need.
Thank you so much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, जैसा आप देख सकते हैं.
एक तो बोल रहा हूँ रिलीज होने के बाद, फिर हमारा भैया भी है सामने, मीडिया दोस्तों प्रणाम. अच्छा पिक्चर को अच्छा लेके जाना बोलते हो मीडिया से ही होता है, तो आप लोग आगे बढ़ाए तो फिर हमारा पिक्चर अच्छा होगा.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. So please, Sangam Sir, please जोरदार ताली बजाए. Everybody is trying his best to speak in Hindi. Really, that's really commendable. Thank you so much. Well.